So what going on here, Truth man? This is your boy, the Blossom man. So I'm back again with another bomb on you, man. This is the new one from Lady Do. Lady Do, we call it Oini. Song called Oini, featuring T-Man and Siaka Kit. And Siaka Kit. Called Oini. Lady Do and Ricardo Max. The song. This is the new one. This is the back. So go and download it, man. Too much. This song is too much. Let's go like this. The queen. She is the queen. She is the queen. Look, hear that, man. Here's what up. You're gonna give it to me. This song I'm gonna sing. Well, sing it if you like it or not. I should be a singer, man. For that, I shouldn't be a singer. So life. It's really life. Comment down below. Comment them down below W if you love the song. This guy Timon is everywhere. It's everywhere. Okay, ungayizwa nje ingoma enayo. Got that thing. Timon is too much, but angakamdala. Ah, kodwa mina